My name is Trisha Tagulinao, and I'm from BS Development Communication 2B.
Good day, everyone! My name is Marck Manlangit Eslera, BS Development Communication 2B.
Our report is all about commensalism. So first, I just want to explain what is ecological relationship. So this is the population of all different species that live together in an area to make up an ecological community. Community ecologists examine how different species in a community interact with each other, or interactions of two or more species are called interspecific interactions. Different types of interspecific interactions have different effects of the two participants, which may be a positive, a negative, or a neutral. So now I'm explaining the brief history of commensalism. So this is the term was coined in 1876 by Belgian paleontologist and zoologist Pierre Joseph van Beneden, along with the term of mutualism. This word describes the activity of carcass-eating animals that follow their predators to eat their raised food. The word commensalism comes from a Latin word commensalist, which means sharing a table. This is also discussed in the field of ecology and biology.
What is commensalism? Commensalism is a type of symbiotic relationship in which one species benefits, while the other species is neither harmed nor helped. The species that gains the benefits is called commensals. The other species is termed the host species. For example, is a golden jackal the commensal following the host, which is the tiger, the feed on leftover from its skill.
Relationship of ecosystem and commensalism. Commensalism is a type of relationship between two living organisms in which one organism benefits from the other without harming it.
How does commensalism affect the ecosystem?
In natural ecosystem, a diverse number of species interact and coexist with each other. Commensalism can be defined as an interspecific relationship in which one species obtains benefit such as food, shelter, or locomotion from another species without causing adverse effects. Types of commensalism. So first, we have inquilinism. One organism uses another for permanent housing. An example is a bird that lives in a tree hole. Metabiosis, commercialistic relationship in which one organism forms a habitat for another. So our next is the phorecy. One animal attaches to another for transport, and these are the examples. And the last is microbiotics, a commensal organism that form communities within a host organism. So now let's go to the example of commensalism. First is the remora fish have a disc on their heads that makes them able to attach to the larger animals such as sharks, mantas, and whales. When the larger animal feeds the remora, it attaches itself to eat the extra food.
Nurse plants are larger plants that offer protection to seedlings from the weather or herbivores, giving them an opportunity to grow.
The next is tree frogs use plants as protection.
Golden jackals, once they have been expelled from a pup, will trail a tiger to feed on the remains of its kills.
Gullyfish live on other sea animal, changing color to blend it with the host, thus gaining protection from predators.
Cattle egrets eat the insect stirred up by cattle when they are grazing. The cattle are unaffected while the birds gain food.
And also lastly, the burdock plant produces spiny seeds that cling to the fur of animals or clothing of humans. The plants rely on this method of seed dispersal for reproduction while the animals are unaffected. And so many more living organism or species benefits from the other without harming it.